Hey YouTube, it's Crystal Crisis here, and I'm going to show you how to make my auto brewer design. This is all made by me, and I hope you guys like it. It's very compact for the way it works. Um, Basically, it's not like your normal auto brewer. Like, you just press the button, and then you have to take out the potion, whatever. It takes up 3 blocks or 2 blocks now, it's whatever. This is only 1 block wide. And what happens is you press the button, it'll make the potion for you, and then it'll have a timer that'll put the potions into the chest for you. Also on the side here we have an automatic water filler upper type thing, so I got stacked water balls in there right now in my single player world. But what happens is this signal down here, which has just hoppers and comparator and then redstone repeater to a block that powers this redstone torch. With just an item going back and forth, which makes the droppers shoot straight up like a dropper elevator, and then it puts all the water balls into these chests. So instead of having to go all the way around, go into the chest, put in the water balls, all you do is you sit here in your little base and you just drop in your water balls there. Also, to show you the main feature or the main producer of the whole thing is right here, the heart. It is very simple compared to my other one. It only takes up one extra block, and then this is my other one that I made. It's much larger, as you can see. It takes up so much more blocks, and this is 3 blocks wide compared to 1. So this one over here is a lot better. So we got this right here. What happens is this redstone block powers this hopper, and then the comparator timer of 3, because I believe it's 48 blocks, make the redstone signal go all the way up to 3, and then the repeater carries it on. And then what that does, it stalls the water balls. See the hopper right there that is underneath this going into the brewing stand. It stalls those so the water balls don't go in while you're trying to brew your potion. For example, see how there's none there right now? Well, that's the first stage. Now what happens is when I press this button, the ingredients get put into here, and then this turns on, which shoots a power through this block. Turns on the redstone torch, or no, the redstone torch is already on. Here, I'll go show you. See, the redstone torch is already on. And then you got a T flip-flop up here, or I don't know, T flip-flop, I don't know, whatever that is, reverse signal. And then it turns on this piston over here. So if we go back in here, and then say we put a block in here, and then it pushes the piston over, and the items start going in there. And then see the water balls come in, item comes out, and then the water balls will extract their cells. It'll show you, I guess, because the water ball isn't being stalled. And see, it extracts the water balls into the potion, into the thing. That's what happened when it's done. But see, I didn't do it. I'll show you in a second. So that's pretty much it. Press the button, all the stuff goes in, ingredients go in, water balls get released, and then it's brewing, ready to go. Now right here is just optional. It's my storage area that I'm going to use for when I put in my server, originalpvp.net. Right now in original PvP I have this design, but it's a little big, and I want to change it up to this, because this is a lot cooler, a lot easier. So yeah, see, it's not big at all, like, at all. I think it's 9 by 10 or 8 by 10, and just for if you want a vanilla brewing stand, it only takes up 1 more space. So like, you can come all the way up to here, and let's see, you can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 auto brewers, but it's gonna be this big, and it's still not even big for donators on original PvP, because you get a lot of obby. And so all you do is claim that and make it surrounded by obby, and then you'll be good to go. But pretty much this is the auto design, and this is how I get all my potions on originalpvp.net. So another step is this side over here, which is how it powers the droppers to shoot the items into the brewing stand. Basically what happens is this This is already on, which powers this. And when you hit the button, this turns off, this turns this off, and then when this comes back on, this comes back on. The redstone torch goes off and then comes back on, shoots out the ingredients. So it's pretty cool on how that works. Down here, this redstone wire just goes all the way around over there. I'll show you how this gets carried on. It goes all the way up to here. We have two repeaters going to here to power this block, to power the redstone on top of that block, to the redstone repeater to power the block, this block, and then to continue the redstone signal going into those hoppers to stall the water balls. Now this one down here is to stall the ingredients from, or the potions going into the chest on the bottom. So pretty much how this works, if you go down here, is that you can see these repeaters power these blocks right here, which are underneath the hoppers of the other chest. And so what happens is the hoppers get stalled, and then the hoppers don't go, or the potions don't go anywhere else. So that's basically it for this. The heart is pretty cool, I suggest, or I don't suggest, I say. Made this myself. What happens is, as I think I already told you already, this gets powered, flip-flop goes in the air, items get transferred back and forth. So this is my auto brewer that I love to use. I'll show you how it already worked. I'll go back in. As you can see, the potions were extracted and put into the chest. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys liked it. If you want to know actually how to make it and like have me build it for you, then just ask me or leave a comment, and then I will most likely show or create a video that shows how to build it. See you later, guys.